নমস্কাৰ আজি মই আপোনালোকলৈ লৈ আহিছো কেইটামান অতি ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট কোৱেশ্চন গতিকে ভিডিওটো শেষলৈকে চাব আৰু যদি মোৰ চেনেলটোত প্ৰথম আহিছে তেতিয়াহলে সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি পিছৰ ভিডিওসমূহ পাই থাকিবৰ কাৰণে ওচৰত থকা বেল বাটনটো ক্লিক কৰি ৰাখিব গতিকে 1 মিনিট সময়ও পলম নকৰি এতিয়া চাই যাব নাম্বাৰ 1 which of the largest state in northeast India which is the largest state in northeast India Meghalaya Arunachal Pradesh Assam none of these গতিকে ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে largest state হৈছে Arunachal Pradesh B the right answer is B question number 2 how many states are there in northeast India 8 7 6 none of these how many states are there in northeast India there are 8 states in northeast India Arunachal Pradesh আৰু হে 8টা ৰাজ্য হৈছে Arunachal Pradesh Assam Manipur Meghalaya Mizoram Nagaland Sikkim and Tripura Question number 3 which is the smallest northeast state in India Manipur Nagaland Sikkim none of these right answer is C Sikkim question number 4 find the odd one Arunachal Pradesh Itanagar Assam Dispur Manipur-Imphal Meghalaya Shimla গতিকে ইয়াত থকা অমিলটো বিচাৰি উলিয়াবলৈ কৈছে Arunachal Pradesh Itanagar right answer Assam Dispur right হৈছে Manipur-Imphal ঠিকে আছে Meghalaya Shimla গতিকে Meghalaya capital is Shillong গতিকে ইয়াত Shillong হ'ব লাগিছিল গতিকে answer is D question number 6 when did Arunachal Pradesh become part of India 21st January 1972 21st January 1975 31st January 1971 and D none of these গতিকে এইবোৰ অতি ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট Arunachal Pradesh became part of India in 21st January 1972 right answer is A Arunachal Pradesh does not share border with which country Bhutan Nepal Myanmar China answer is Nepal B Arunachal Pradesh does not share border with Nepal question number 8 who is the chief minister of Arunachal Pradesh Arunachal Pradesh or chief minister কোন Neiphiu Pinarayi Vijayan Pema Khandu none of these answer is C Pema Khandu who is the chief minister of Arunachal Pradesh Pema Khandu right answer is C present CM of the state Pema Khandu governor BD Mishra এইবোৰ অতি ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট মনত ৰাখি যাব CM হৈছে Pema Khandu আৰু governor হৈছে BD Mishra next question Assam shares border with which country Bangladesh Bhutan both A and B none of these both A and B Assam shares border with Bangladesh and Bhutan right answer is C both A and B question number 10 who is the chief minister of Assam Tarun Gagoi Sarbananda Sonowal Jagdish Mukhi none of these Sarbananda Sonowal already we know about this who is the chief minister of Assam Sarbananda Sonowal born 31st October 1961 is an Indian politician who has been chief minister of Assam since 2016 Jagdish Mukhi is the governor of Assam and a member of BJP and RSS and Jagdish Mukhi is the governor of Assam when did Tripura become a constituent state of the Indian Union 21st January 1972 15 October 1947 15 August 1949 none of these when did Tripura become a constituent state of the Indian Union Right answer is A. 21st January 1972. Who is the Chief Minister of Tripura? Manik Sarkar, Biplab Kumar Dev, Kiran Bijiju, none of these. Who is the Chief Minister of Tripura? Biplab Kumar Dev is the Chief Minister of Tripura. The Hornbill Festival is a celebration held every year from 1 to 10 December in which state of India? The Hornbill Festival is a celebration held every year from 1 to 10 December. In which state of India? Sikkim, Manipur, Nagaland, none of these. Answer is A. Answer is C. Nagaland. Answer is C. Nagaland. 14. What is the capital of Nagaland? Kohima, Dimapur, Wokha, none of these. What is the capital of Nagaland? Kohima. Right answer is A. Number 15. Which is the highest peak of Meghalaya plateau? Shillong Peak, Nokrek Peak, Manaslu, none of these. Right answer is Shillong Peak. Which is the highest peak of Meghalaya plateau? Shillong Peak is the highest peak. Right answer is A. What is the folk dance of Meghalaya? Nongkrem, Lavani, Chow, none of these. What is the folk dance of Meghalaya? Nongkrem. Nongkrem is the folk dance of Meghalaya. Question number 17. Who is the Chief Minister of Meghalaya? Conrad Sangma, Agatha Sangma, P.A. Sangma, none of these. Who is the Chief Minister of Meghalaya? Conrad Sangma is the Chief Minister of Meghalaya. The right answer is A. The next question, number 18. The only floating lake in the world is one of the most famous tourist attractions. Is located in which state of India? Maharashtra, Manipur, Meghalaya, none of these. Right answer is Manipur. What is the official language of Nagaland? English, Hindi, French, none of these. The official language of Nagaland is English. Right answer is A. Question number 20. Who is the governor of Nagaland? Padmanabha Acharya, T.R. Jiliang, Neiphiu, none of these. Who is the governor of Nagaland? Right answer is A. Padmanabha Acharya. Padmanabha Acharya is the governor of Nagaland and CM is Neiphiu. 21. Who is the Chief Minister of Manipur? Okram, Labovi Singh, and Biren Singh, Jairam Thakur, none of these. Right answer is who is the Chief Minister of Manipur? Right answer is B. And Biren Singh is the Chief Minister of Manipur. Nongthombam Biren Singh is the first Chief Minister belonging to the Bharatiya Janata Party. Governor Najma Heptullah, first woman governor of Manipur. Governor hoise Najma Heptullah, first woman governor of Manipur. What is the famous dance of Mizoram? Dumhal, Bihu, Chirau, none of these. Chirau is the famous dance of Mizoram. What is the capital of Mizoram? Aizawl, Imphal, Guwahati, none of these. Aizawl is the capital of Mizoram. Right answer is A. Aizawl. Governor is Kumannam Rajasekharan. Chief Minister is Zoramthanga MNF. When did Sikkim become an associated state of India? When did Sikkim become an associated state of India? 16 May 1957, 16 May 1975, 16 May 1972. Right answer is B. 1975. 16 May 1975. Sikkim became an associated state of India in 16 May 1975. Right answer is B. Which is the biggest river of Northeast India? Which is the biggest river of Northeast India? Indus River, Godavari, Brahmaputra, none of these. Brahmaputra is the biggest river of Northeast India. What is the folk dance of Assam? We already know about this question. Bihu is the folk dance of Assam. Right answer is A. In which of the following state Majuli River Island is situated? In which of the following state Majuli River Island is situated? Assam, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, none of these. Question. Right answer is Assam. Option A. Majuli is the biggest river island in the world which is located on the Brahmaputra River in the state of Assam. Nathula is a mountain pass is located in which state? Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, none of these. Sikkim. Nathula is a mountain pass is located in Sikkim. The right answer is A. Option A. Question number 29. Jampui Hills is located in which state in India? Tripura, Manipur, Assam, none of these. Jampui Hills is located in Tripura state in India. The right answer is option A. Jampui Hills is a hill range located in the North Tripura district in the northeastern part of the Indian state of Tripura. The average altitude of the hill range is approximately 1000 meters above sea level. Who is the Chief Minister of Sikkim? Prem Das Rai, Nar Bahadur Bhandari, Pawan Kumar Chamling. Right answer is C. Pawan Kumar Chamling is the Chief Minister of Sikkim. গতিকে মোৰ চেনেলটোৰ পৰা যদি অলপো উপকৃত হৈছো বুলি ভাবে তেতিয়াহ'লে লাইক কৰিব, কমেণ্ট কৰিব আৰু পিছৰ ভিডিঅ' মোৰ পাই থাকিবৰ কাৰণে ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি ওচৰত থকা বেল বটনটো ক্লিক কৰি ৰাখিব।